Perfect fire.
Perfect sweetie.
Perfect little boy. Short hair sweetie. Oh. Hi. How are you, honey?
Sweetie by firelight.
That's
Are you
me.
enjoying your day at the beach? There's the boys.
Absolutely.
Off in the distance.
The best part was shopping all by myself.
Watch out for that coal that just bounced over there.
I saw it.
We've got a fire that's a little bit lively. We have a beautiful crescent moon and a big stretch of the beach by ourselves.
Yes. What are you building over there?
A tunnel, digging tunnels connecting to one another. Okay. For the borrowers to spring in when they're borrowers.
The borrowers need a place to borrow. Yes, they do.
Maybe they could borrow something from
All the way
Daddy's filming the beautiful
to
sunset.
Haystack Rock. Just a little hard to see. There's other fires burning along the beach.
We will. They're waiting for the black. Hey, Colin, how do you like the sunset? Do you like coming to the beach when there's a sunset?
Yep.
Watching the sun go down, down, down?
Hey, the sun is going way down.
You're right. It's pretty much gone. We can
Hey,
get some
Colin.
reflection.
Come over here by the fire on this other side.
Come here, honey. Come here.
Can you come over around this way?